Hello children, good morning. How are you all? Children, today we will start a new chapter, chapter 11, Force, Work and Energy. Force, Work and Energy. So children, in this chapter we will discuss about what is force, work and energy. So before going to discuss, we will discuss about what is the learning objectives. Children, by the end of the lesson, you will able to know or able to explain the term force. You can identify some common forces we come across in our daily life. You can explain the term work. You can list some simple machines that helps to make our work easy because we are using different type of simple machine. And we can explain the term energy. Okay. And the form and sources of energy. So first children we will discuss about force. So children, when you push an object like a cart, it can move. Okay. Similarly, if we pull an object, it also move. So what is a force? A push or pull that acts on an object is called a force. Okay. A force or pull which is applied to the object is called force. Force can make a moving body stop or can move a body which was rest. Okay. Force can stop a moving object. Force can change the direction of a moving object. Force can also change the shape of an object. Then children we will discuss about types of forces. Here we will discuss about two types of forces, the force of friction and the force of gravity. Okay, so first we will discuss about the force of friction. When you push a toy car on a carpet, what happens? It slows down and stops after some time. Why? Because the surface of the carpet is rough surface, and the force which acts on the car to slow it down is called the force of friction. Okay, so force when you travel the same car or push the same toy car on a smooth surface, what happened? The car can move properly or freely. Okay. So next children, we will discuss about the force of gravity. Force of gravity or the gravitational force. When you throw a ball up in the air, it slows down, stops and then falls down to the ground. This is because a force called gravity acts on it. The force of gravity caused the ball to return to the surface. Okay. The gravity acts on all objects on the earth, pulling them towards the earth. That is why when you throw anything up, it comes down. So children, next class we will discuss about work and about simple machines. Okay, so till then, bye bye and take care.